Hello, I'm Dane. Welcome to another episode of Dax Jutsu. In this episode, ang gagawin natin is we will try to attempt a question on Fabric or Power BI community. So basically, what the user wants that if a user selects a country in a slicer, that country gets highlighted in sa mapa, but the markers should remain. That's my understanding. And hopefully understanding ko is correct. So, ang gagawin natin? First, let's try to do it without any workaround. So, I have a map with me. This is Azure Map. Tapos, itong mapa na to, meron na siyang GeoJSON file sa reference layer niya. Kung lalagay ko na lang itong si country, and ayan. Since wala tayong value na nilagay, country na makikita natin. And again, meron na siyang reference layer na mapa. Kung wala ka niyan, wala kang reference layer for your specific use case, kailangan mong lagyan ng reference layer for the shape kasi hindi mo ma-achieve tong ganitong look. And lalagay ko tong si sales map. Show as table. So, ayan. And then, kailangan nating i-gradient ito. So, I'll go to reference layer and fill colors and sales amount. And we will talk about sales amount disconnected measure later. Ayan. So let's see. So here's the problem with no, without a workaround. So although as you select siya, na-highlight or I don't know kung na-highlight but everything gets filtered out. Hindi ito yung gusto natin mangyari. So gagawin natin is we'll create a disconnected table. So itong disconnected table ko is just the same as my connected table. It's just that this one doesn't have a relationship to either dim country or sales data table. So I'll just duplicate this and I will add that country na disconnected. Para di tayo malito, lagyan natin ng disconnected. Since disconnected siya, walang mangyari. It's no relationship at all. So yung gagawin natin ngayon is gagawa tayo ng measure to activate a virtual relationship between country and disconnected country and country. So ito na yung measure natin. We use Tritas to activate a virtual relationship between two columns that don't have a relationship with each other. So, lagay ko yan dito si country. Yan. Anin ko na lang. Kopyahin ko lang. Tapos, palitan natin ng table and then, lagay natin sa disconnected. So, Denmark, uh, Norway. Tingnan natin sa Norway. Norway, okay. Same lang. And next natin gagawin is papalitan natin itong highlight ng ibang measure or yung reference layer measure na ginagamit sa conditional formatting. So, disconnected. Okay. So, bakit ganun walang nangyari? Okay. So, subukan natin. Kopyahin natin to and gawin natin siyang table. Lagay natin sales amount and then say disconnected. Ito na nangyayari is same value yung pinapakita niya. So, etong highlighting niya doesn't work. Kasi paparehas na ng value lahat eh. If I show that as a table, ay, hindi niya pinapakita yung ginamit natin sa conditional formatting. And what is the reason why? We go back to our disconnected table or disconnected sales formula. It's because parang ginagawa nito is it applies whatever value we select in dim country to all rows of or dim country disconnected to all rows of dim country. And we need to use keep filters to be able to keep the filter. So, dapat ang mangyari is kung ano lang yung sinelect natin dito na country sa disconnected table, yun na yung magkakaroon ng value. So, let's see. Ayan. And because of that, notice that yung na-highlight lang is itong sinelect natin na country. Okay. But then, here comes the problem. We are using another slicer, right? So, extra space na naman. And what we want to happen is that we use the same slicer, but then highlight itong selected and keep the rest. So, this may not be the correct approach. So, ano gagawin natin? Okay. So instead, let's try something else. I'll duplicate this. Again, duplicates. And I'll remove this. And anong gagawin ko? I'll create a copy of this dim and country table and yan. Gawa tayo ng bago. Ang gagawin ko, dim country 2 kasi wala akong maisip na pangalan. And then, we create a relationship from dim country 2 to sales data. So which means if I use this, dim country 2, I think country 2, it filters out whatever na hindi natin na-selects. So, yung gagawin natin is papalitan natin ito ng country 2. Ayan. Then, ganun pa din. So, gawa tayo ng isa pang measure. So, gagawin natin remove filters from country, which is dim country. Ganyan na, dim country. And calculate, ayan, calculate sales amount, remove filters, country. So, ayan. Yung next natin gagawin is, ang ilalagay natin dito is yung may remove filters. Remove filters from country. Ayan. So, highlighted. And we still get to keep our markers. So, tatanggalin ko to para hindi siya makapanggulo. And now, we're able to highlight the selected country and still keep the rest of the markers. Tapos hindi natin kailangan isa pang extra slicer. So, which means magagamit natin to cross-filter other slicers, other visuals rather. Tapos, since connected naman tong si Canfi to our sales, we can also use this to cross-highlight our sales table. Yeah. So that's it from me. I hope you've learned something. Have a good one. Bye bye.